How to install Docker Desktop on a Mac. Step 1. Go to google.com and search for Docker Desktop. Docker Desktop is an easy-to-install version of the popular Docker container application framework for Mac, Linux, and Windows desktop computers. Unlike the server version of Docker, Docker Desktop runs in a self-contained virtual machine which hides all of the complexities of the Docker engine from you. Download Docker Desktop from the website and click on the docker.dmg installer file to begin the installation. After the installer self-verification process completes, a drag-and-drop installer window appears. Click and drag the Docker icon into the Applications folder shortcut inside this pop-up window. This installs all of the required files into your Mac's application folder where you will find a single Docker app. Open Applications and click on Docker to launch it. You'll get a warning that you're opening an application that was downloaded from the internet. Click Open to continue. You'll get another message saying Docker Desktop needs privileged access. Click OK, then enter your Mac username and password. Read the Docker subscription service agreement and click Agree. Docker Desktop will now start, and the installation is complete.